Welcome. This is Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English test of oral past question number 27. The same instruction is also applicable here, which says that we should look out for the word among the options that has the same consonant sound as in the given word, and the underlined letter here is letter H. The given word here is pronounced as aim, not home. The O there takes the schwa sound, aim, not home, as people will pronounce it, aim. That is how it is pronounced. The option A here is pronounced as guest, as people pronounce it ghost. So there is nothing like ghost in English word. It is guest, not ghost. Option B is pronounced as us, long or. Remember that the H is not silent, and then remember our long or sound, us. The option C is pronounced as not hour. We say the time is 12 hour ago. No, it is not hour. The here is short sound, not long. Then ended by schwa sound. The option D is pronounced as morph, the same long or sound that we use in option B. The option E is pronounced as phrase. Remember our A sound in vowel class. The Z is a consonant sound. So with this, the correct option here is option B, because option B has the same consonant sound as in the given word. So if you look at the given word, the H is not silent in its transcription. Then in the transcription of the word us, the letter H is not silent, as it is silent in the word called in option C. But our correct option here is option B. Take note of that. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.